بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم أمين. وبعد. Sister in Islam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tajweed 101 course, a simple step-by-step course that enables you inshallah to learn and understand how to read Al-Quran properly. My name is Maghfira and I am an online Quran teacher, and you are watching Maghfira Education, the place to learn, know and understand how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. And today we are going to continue what we have started already, and today we are going to apply on Tajweed the Hamza and Ha articulation point. The last video, if you check it, it was about Hamza and Ha, and today inshallah we are going to apply on the basmalah and isti'adha, then Surat al-Fatiha. Inshallah, once we finish the throat letters, we will stop applying on these and start from Surat al-Ikhlas, from the back part, the 30 juz, inshallah. So let's start it. Okay, so أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, seeking refuge. Why I am focusing on seeking refuge and saying basmalah and Surah al-Fatiha? Because these are the most important surahs, or that these are the most important phrases, whether they are basmalah or isti'adha, that we have or we supposed to use on a daily basis. If I'm going to start recitation, I will start with أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم, and they are, so we have to adjust them first, and then Surah al-Fatiha, because we use it at least 17 times per day. So that's why I'm focusing on these two or these three. Let's start application on أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. As you remember that, just a quick reminder, Ha letter, when we have the vocal cords open, and the A letter, the two vocal cords completely enclosed, then opens if there are Hamza mutaharrik, whether fatha dhamma kasra. If it is Hamza sukun, in this case, we have to finish the letter with the closing of the two vocal cords. And here we have the first phrase is A. So I have to close the two vocal cords, then open it, because it is a Hamza fatha. A. So A, then go to U, Ain dhamma U. So it will be A'u. U here is two haraka. As you remember, if you want to know how to read isti'adha properly, you can check the video that we posted on this channel before. I will put the link for you on the description box, inshallah. So the beginning, let's returning back to the beginning. The first of isti'adha is Hamza. A'udhu. And then remember that the mad, we have to pronounce it from jawf. Okay, so it will be a'udhu. Then when I finish the dhu, go to the billahi mad. Billahi, he. Open the two vocal cords. So a'udhu billahi. Remember that any mad that we have, we're supposed to read it from jawf. What is jawf? The throat cavity with a mouth cavity. Okay, and then minash shaytan. The only thing that we have here is the ta mad from jawf, and minash shaytanir rajim. So we have nothing here from Hamza and Ha except the Hamza of a'udhu and the Ha on billahi. Okay, then we need to go to Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillah, mad from jawf. So it will be Bismillah, la, mad from jawf. Then Ha kasra, he, go to this part. Billahi, he, billahi, bismillahi, he. Bismillahir Rahman, mim jawf, mim from jawf, or I'm sorry, the mad is from jawf. So Bismillahir Rahman, ma from jawf, manir rahim, him from jawf as well, because this is a mad, and this is from the, I think, lesson number 5 or something like that, or 4 even. So in this basmalah we have only Bismillahi, ha, Bismillahi, he, and not he, because this is from the common mistakes. Inshallah, the next lesson we are going to know the mistakes that may happen on the Hamza letter and Ha letter. Okay, so it is Bismillahi, the same way of reading he and she and it. He, this is the Ha kasra he. Okay, and then we're going to start Surah al-Fatiha. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. You already finished it. Alhamdu. The beginning of the surah is Alhamdu. Alhamdu. And then Lillah. Mad from Jawf. Then he. He, the same way of reading he word. So Alhamdulillahi. He. Lillahi. He. And then Rabbil Alameen. Mad from Jawf. Meen, mad from Jawf. So Alhamdulillahi. He Rabbil Alameen. And then again Hamza. Ar-Rahma. Mad from Jawf. Ar-Rahmani. And Ar-Rahim. Mad from Jawf. Maliki Yawmiddin. We have nothing here except some mad. And then we have E, Hamza Kasra, E. Close the vocal cords, then open it because it is Kasra. So, Iyaka. Mad from Jawf, and Hamza from deepest part of the throat. So, Iyaka na'budu wa Iyaka. Another E, and another mad. Yaka. And Nasta'een, mad from Jawf. Okay, and then this one is maybe you may find it a little bit hard, but we need to focus it. When we separate each letter, it will be so easy for you. So the first one is E. We have to close the vocal cords, then open it because the sound of it E is, we have to close the vocal cords, then open it. E, then Ha sukun. E. You see lots of airs going out. Allow the air to be and release the tension. Release the tension that may happen on the tongue or on the throat. Try to release it. It is completely open. The throat is completely open. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Another type of mad. And then Sira, Ra here mad from Jawf. Siratal ladhina. Another mad, Dhina. And then Hamza. An'amta. And alayha kasra hi. Alayhim. غير المغضوب عليهم. No, nothing here except mad. مغضوب عليهم. Another him. عليهم. him. ولا mad from Jawf. And another mad is لين. ولا Okay, try to practice this surah and try to apply it. Okay, then if you have any question, write it inshallah on the comment. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. See you inshallah on the next video. If you find this video is beneficial, please don't forget to share it to your friends and relatives so that the benefits spread. Jazakumullahu khairan. See you on the next lesson inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.